VAST Point of Sale version 9.0.1250, also known as VAST Point of Sale version or patch 141. With this release, we have several new enhancements, features, and benefits. Two of those are the addition of the VIN info button from the customer vehicle input screen, and the other is the display of the TPMS parts using the TPMS button. To show you the example, I will click on the point of sale module, customer contact, and I will pull up an existing customer from my database. From my list of vehicles for this example, I'm going to select the 2013 Infiniti G37. With this vehicle, on the right-hand side of my screen, the vehicle information screen, I now see the info button. If I click on this information button, it shows me all of the details specific to that VIN number. It gives me the body type, it gives me the brake system, engine, steering, and transmission details. All of this vehicle information, such as qualifiers, are stored within the system and will help when using VAST Commerce to determine the right part for that vehicle. If I click on OK, it simply closes that information screen down and I'm back to my customer vehicle contact. The additional button is the TPMS button. If I click on that, it opens up V-Item Broker under VAST Commerce. It's checking always local inventory first to see if I stock any TPMS sensors for that particular year, make, and model vehicle, which in this case I see a red X, identifying that I do not have any products in stock for that particular vehicle. However, as you'll see, I have a full list of open web suppliers on my system, and I could check any of these sources for cost and availability for a TPMS sensor for this particular vehicle. For this instance, I'm simply going to click on Advance. It's checking for cost and availability, and the return gives me details that they carry the Schrader brand TPMS sensor and the quantity that they have available at the local store in yellow, and what my cost is and what the customer's price would be based on a cost times cost multiplier factor. If I wanted to, I could select any of this information once I'm in the customer's work order screen. This is for information only while looking at the customer vehicle input screen. I can simply click Close, and it takes me back to the customer vehicle input screen. I can click Next and start my work order. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you require more information, please contact customer support or our sales team at area code 610-336-9045. Thank you.